Good morning, friends. Today again I am going to make a video for you, and whatever my experience about these videos for English speaking, my friends and dear students, English speaking is very important. It is a very smart language. It can help you in your career. It can make your future bright. But without practice, it is not possible. Any language, if you want to learn in your life, practice is very important. Listening is also very important, reading is important, and practice is important. If you listen, your word power will develop. One more thing, my friends, word meaning we cannot develop in 1 day, 2 days, 1 week. It having a long process. If you listen daily English videos, if you read books, if you write anything about any topic, if you think in your mind, after long process, you can command over English word meanings and you can speak English better. With that, subject knowledge is also very important. Suppose for discussion, any topic is given you, city life and village life. So you should think about that, you make sentence in your mind and you speak that, after that you can be success. Rules regulations are okay, rules are also very important for you, but practice is very important. Today my friends, I am going to explain you about a present indefinite tense passive voice. It is very useful for your spoken English. Many people just passive voice not only for examination purpose, it is a spoken English. With example, you can understand better way. See friends, present indefinite tense, passive voice. Here, subject is am/are, verb third form, other words. Here is am/are. In your mind, question come is am/are come in present in continuous tense. This that. But in passive voice, verb third form here. See here, it is important. Verb third form, not ing. Just with example you can understand. Say, इंडिया में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. ट्रांसलेट करो उसको. इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन इन इंडिया. नेपाल में हिंदी बोली जाती है. हिंदी इज स्पोकन इन नेपाल. गुजरात में चीकू पाया जाता है. चीकू इज फाउंड इन गुजरात. सो सच टाइप सेंटेंस, विदाउट दिस रूल यू कैन नॉट स्पीक. जैसे हमारे स्कूल में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. क्या बोली जाती है? इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. तो इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन इन आवर स्कूल. मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम सब्जेक्ट and subject become object. This rule, it is direct. I am teaching you spoken English passive voice. Okay. Next example is like कर्नाटका में सोना पाया जाता है. क्या पाया जाता है? सोना. तो उसको ऐसे लिखेंगे, गोल्ड इज फाउंड इन कर्नाटका. यस. सऊदी अरेबिया में हिंदी बोली जाती है. हिंदी इज स्पोकन इन सऊदी अरेबिया. This way you can try. Okay. In negative also not लगाना है. जैसे हमारे स्कूल में हिंदी नहीं बोली जाती है. हिंदी is not spoken in our school. Yes. जैसे इंडिया में just like कॉपर नहीं पाया जाता है. For example, copper is not found in India. Yes. Likewise in अमेरिका में बॉक्साइट पाया जाता है, नहीं पाया जाता है. तो बॉक्साइट इज नॉट फाउंड इन अमेरिका. बंगाल में चावल उगाया जाता है. सो राइस इज ग्रोन इन बंगाल. तो दिस वे स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, passive voice इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जस्ट इन दिस वे क्वेश्चन आपके स्कूल में क्या सिखाया जाता है? सो व्हाट इज टॉट इन योर स्कूल? आपके स्कूल में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया जाता है? विच सब्जेक्ट इज टॉट इन योर स्कूल? सोना कहाँ पाया जाता है? वेयर इज गोल्ड फाउंड? यस, चाय कैसे बनाई जाती है? हाउ इज टी प्रिपेयर्ड? ओके, जैसे दवा कैसे बनाई जाती है, पेपर कैसे बनाया जाता है? हाउ इज पेपर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड? ओके, so these passive voices are very spoken English standard type. So these passive voices is and are we can use here. Sometime in your mind come is and are not used in present indefinite tense. You are right, but that is in active voice we do not use. हम active voice में नहीं use करते, passive voice में हम is and are use करते हैं. Yes, जैसे for example again, बंगाल में चावल उगाया जाता है. क्या उगाया जाता है? चावल. सो राइस इज ग्रोन इन वेस्ट बंगाल. नेपाल में हिंदी बोली जाती है. हिंदी को फर्स्ट लाओ. हिंदी इज स्पोकन इन नेपाल. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश. डायरेक्ट यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. हियर इज एम आर इज यूज्ड. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. Some children are confused in present indefinite. Is am are is not used, but in passive voice is am are is used there. Okay, just यहाँ पर आपको next example, दवा कैसे बनाई जाती है? How is medicine manufactured? सोना कैसे तैयार किया जाता है? How is gold prepared? Yes, हिंदी कहाँ बोली जाती है? Where is Hindi spoken? Yes, सोना कहाँ पाया जाता है? Where is gold found? पाया जाता है, उगाया जाता है, पढ़ाया जाता है. आपके स्कूल में कौन सी लैंग्वेज सिखाई जाती है? Which language is taught in your school? Yes, so this way students, if you try, you can speak English very well. So this present indefinite passive voice is spoken English level, little high level. With the examples only you can understand it. Many times you listen, think in your mind, then you can understand about it. Okay, one more is here. Just I teach English. English is taught by me. जैसे मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ, I teach English. उसी को आप यहाँ इंग्लिश मेरे से पढ़ाई जाती है, तो इंग्लिश is taught by me. Okay, जैसे I like mango. Mango is liked by me. That is also passive voice, but here I directly in spoken form I tried to give you idea about this. Yes, so it is very important. जैसे वापी में केमिकल पाया जाता है. Chemical is found in वापी. वापी में हिंदी बोली जाती है. हिंदी is spoken in वापी. Yes, आपके कंट्री में कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है? Which language is spoken in your country? Sir? Yes, today I am going to end it very soon. So friends, you listen my videos again and again, and you think in your mind, don't have any doubt about is am are also used in present indefinite tense, but in passive voice, and verb third form is here. No ing, no verb first form. Okay friends, so you listen many times and you watch the videos. I am very sure your doubts will be clear. If any doubts, you can write in a comment box. Next time I will make clear your doubts. So thank you very much. If you like my videos, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.